How to leave a class review on Skillshare. Hello everyone, welcome to another Skillshare tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can leave a class review on Skillshare. And how do you do that? It is very simple. But to be able to leave a class review on Skillshare, you must have watched at least half of the lessons in the class to be able to leave a review. That's the first thing you must know. So in case in a class you've not watched up to half of the lessons, you cannot leave a review. So for example, I'm a new Skillshare member and then I just started this particular course. Now, by scrolling down, you will see that there is no review option for me. That is because I've not watched up to half of the lessons. All right. But for you, if you've watched at least 50% of the class, just scroll down to the bottom part of the screen where you will see the reviews tab. Okay, once you can see this tab, click on it. Okay, now once you can see the reviews tab, click on it, and then on the reviews page you see other people's review, right? Then by the right hand side, click on the leave review button. Okay, and then once you can see the leave review button, you can now proceed to write your review. It's that simple as that. So for you to be able to leave a review, ensure you've watched up to half% of the class. Then you'll see the reviews tab, click on it. On the reviews page, click on the option leave a review. It's usually located by the right side of the screen, and then once you've done that, you'll be able to type out your review and other people would see it and would like to get the course depending on what you said. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.